Hi guys, and welcome back to JavaScript Playground. In the previous video, we explored if-else statements in JavaScript and tried some examples to understand them better. So if you haven't watched the video, check it out. I'll add the link in the description below. In today's video, we will learn another conditional statement, which is switch. So let's write some code. Alright, so today we're going to talk about JavaScript switch. Let's bring up the JS part and the console up and console.clear. So we use switch when based on certain known values, we need to perform certain tasks. Or in other words, we can think of switch as a replacement for if-else if. Imagine if we needed to handle 10 conditions, then we will have to write 10 if-else if. That's where switch comes to rescue. So let's try an example to understand it better. Say on different days, the gym timings are different. So let's try it out. So where current day. So let's assume our week starts from Monday. So the current day is one which is Monday. Or let's just use MON for Monday. So if our current day is Monday, then the gym timings are different. So timings, let's say 10 to 6. Else if the current day is equal to Tuesday, then console log and the timings are say 9 to 5. Similarly, for Wednesday, say timings are 9:30 to 5:30. For Thursdays, let's say timings are 10:15 to 6:15, and for Friday, it's 9:05 to 5:05. On Saturday, it's 9 to 5, and on Sunday, it's 9 to 1. So as you can see, we did this problem using if-else, and the code looks really dirty. We can solve the same problem using switch with a much clearer code. So let's try that. So switch. So here we pass a value on the basis of which different cases are executed. So let's say our first case is Monday. So on Monday, our timings are these. So let's just put it there. And after every case, we need to put a break statement, or else the statements for the next conditions will also get executed. Similarly, case Tuesday, and our timings are these. So let's put it there. And again, break. Similarly, we can write for other days of the week. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Wednesday, these are the timings. Thursday, these are the timings. Friday, these are the timings. Sorry. Saturday, these are the timings. And for Sunday, these are the timings. Alright, so what we're doing is, so whatever value we pass here, it checks it against all these cases, and whatever case matches, those expressions are executed till the time a break is encountered. And for switch case, we have a default statement. So if nothing matches, then what to print? So let's just print the Sunday timings. Alright. So let's just change our day to Thursday. And as you can see, our timings changed. So this result is coming from the if-else statements, and this result is coming from our switch case. So that's how we write switch case statements. I'll add the link for this code pen in the description below for your practice. I hope this gave you a better understanding of switch conditions in JavaScript, but if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me on Twitter. I'll add my Twitter handle in the description below. Bye and take care.